At sunrise, it all begins in fields of rich soil where potatoes are pulled fresh from the earth. Inside a state-of-the-art facility, they're scrubbed clean, peeled, and precision-sliced paper thin. The slices dive into hot oil, puffing into crisp golden chips. From farm to flavor,
That sharp, satisfying crack is more than just a sound. It's the start of something special. It's the signal that a moment of joy is about to begin, whether you're alone or surrounded by friends. It's the soundtrack to parties, movie nights, and lunch breaks everywhere. That familiar crunch brings people together, sparking laughter, conversation, and sometimes even a little friendly competition for the last chip in the bag. But have you ever wondered how a humble dirt-covered potato becomes that perfect golden chip? It's a transformation that starts in the fields, with farmers tending to rows of potatoes, nurturing them from seed to harvest. It's not magic, it's science and engineering, working in delicious harmony. Behind every chip is a team of experts, from food scientists perfecting recipes to engineers designing machines that slice, fry, and season with incredible precision. The journey starts in the earth and ends with that irresistible crunch. Each potato travels miles, passing through hands and machines, all working together to create a snack that's loved worldwide. From farm to factory, every step is a feat of precision and speed. Conveyor belts hum, robotic arms sort, and every chip is checked for quality before it ever reaches your bag. Each Lay's chip is the result of a carefully choreographed ballet of machines and people, all focused on one goal: snack perfection. It's a dance of technology and tradition, where human expertise meets cutting-edge automation. So, grab a bag, and let's pull back the curtain on one of the world's favorite snacks. With every crinkle of the bag, you're about to discover a story that's as rich as the flavor inside. We're going from spud to snack, revealing the secrets behind that flawless bite. Watch as each potato is washed, peeled, sliced, and transformed before your eyes, an everyday miracle of modern food production. The process is refined, every variable controlled, from slice thickness to oil temperature, even the air in the bag. Every detail matters because perfection is in the process. This is food science at its most satisfying. It's a blend of creativity, chemistry, and a relentless pursuit of the perfect crunch. By the end, you'll see the potato chip as a marvel of modern production. What seems simple is actually a triumph of innovation and teamwork. Ready to see how the magic happens? Let's get our hands dirty, starting with the potatoes themselves. The journey awaits. Let's begin. From the soil to your snack bowl, this is the story of the crunch heard round the world. The story of a Lay's chip begins long before it ever reaches your snack bowl. It starts in the open fields, where generations of farmers dedicate their expertise to growing the perfect potato. These fields are carefully chosen for their rich soil and ideal climate, ensuring that every potato has the best possible start. Here, potatoes are grown specifically for chipping, not just any use. These special varieties are selected for their texture, flavor, and ability to crisp up beautifully. Each potato is tested for its starch and sugar content, which are crucial for achieving that signature golden crunch. Only those that meet strict standards are considered for the next step. The selection process is rigorous. Potatoes are sorted by hand and machine, with any that are bruised, misshapen, or imperfect quickly removed from the line. Only the best potatoes make the cut, the rest are left behind. Once chosen, these premium potatoes are loaded onto trucks and transported to the factory. It's a journey from the field to the heart of production, where transformation awaits. At the factory, the potatoes are gently unloaded onto conveyor belts. Here, any loose dirt is shaken off, and the potatoes begin their journey through a series of careful checks. Both skilled workers and advanced machines inspect the potatoes, removing any that are too small, too large, or show signs of greening. This ensures only the finest potatoes continue on. The top quality spuds move forward, destined to become the chips we all love. Next, it's bath time. The potatoes enter a massive drum washer, where they're scrubbed clean, removing every trace of soil and debris. The goal? Absolute cleanliness, because even the smallest speck can affect the final chip. Gleaming and spotless, the potatoes emerge ready for their transformation. This is where the magic truly begins. The preparation stage is all about turning these raw, humble ingredients into the perfect blank canvas for flavor. Every step is designed to preserve quality and freshness. The selection is ruthless, the cleaning thorough. Only the most flawless potatoes are allowed to move forward, ensuring that every chip starts with the best possible foundation. Now, it's time for the peel, a crucial step that brings us one step closer to the perfect Lay's chip. With the potatoes now spotless, their journey continues as they prepare to shed their humble skins. This is a crucial step. Removing the outer layer not only improves the texture but also ensures a clean, uniform chip every time. In the world of potato chips, even the smallest detail matters. Enter the abrasion peeler, a spinning drum lined with coarse material that strips away the outer layer in minutes. As the potatoes tumble inside, the abrasive surface gently but efficiently removes the skin, leaving behind a smooth, pristine surface. This process is both fast and gentle, preserving the potato's integrity while ensuring no unwanted bits remain. After a quick rinse to wash away any lingering skin or debris, the potatoes emerge smooth and ready for their next transformation, slicing. This rinse is more than just a wash, it's a final polish before the real magic begins. The slicer is a high-speed marvel of engineering, turning each potato into a flurry of thin, uniform slices in seconds. Blades whirl with precision, ensuring every slice is identical. Consistency is key for the perfect chip. Slice thickness is crucial, about 1.5 millimeters, for that signature crunch. This exact measurement is the difference between a chip that's satisfyingly crisp and one that falls flat. Too thick, and the chip stays chewy. Too thin, and it burns. Achieving the perfect thickness is a delicate balance, and even a fraction of a millimeter can make all the difference in taste and texture. Every blade is monitored for perfect consistency. Technicians regularly inspect and adjust the machinery, ensuring that each potato is sliced to perfection, batch after batch. The slices drop into a cold water bath, washing away excess starch and preventing browning. This step is essential for keeping the chips light in color and crisp in texture, setting the stage for the frying process. Drained and delicate, these potato wafers are now primed for their transformation. Each slice is inspected for quality, ensuring only the best make it to the next stage. Selected, washed, peeled, and sliced with precision. They're ready for the fryer. The anticipation builds as the slices line up for their golden moment. The journey so far has been all about preparation. Next comes the chemistry, the moment when heat and oil work their magic to create the iconic chip. It's time for the golden swim. As the slices enter the hot oil, they begin to transform, bubbling and crisping before our eyes. Let's head to the fryer and witness the final step in the creation of the perfect potato chip. The moment of truth. Potato slices meet hot oil. The fryer is a massive vat, kept at a precise 350 degree warm. As slices hit the oil, water inside vaporizes, creating that iconic bubbling sound. This rapid dehydration forms the chip's crispy structure. Paddles keep the slices moving for even cooking. In just 3 minutes, the chips are transformed, golden, rigid, and fragile. They're lifted out, excess oil dripping away. A blast of air removes any remaining oil, leaving chips crispy, not greasy. The chips now have their signature crunch and shape. They tumble onto the next conveyor, glassy and golden. They've survived their trial by oil, but they're not finished yet. Next up, flavor. Time for seasoning. Fresh from the fryer, the chips are ready for their flavor makeover. Still warm and slightly oily, they're primed for seasoning. Timing is everything. The seasoning must stick while the chips are hot. The chips enter a giant rotating drum, where a fine curtain of seasoning is applied. Each flavor, classic sour cream and onion barbecue, gets its own secret blend. Gentle tumbling ensures every chip is evenly coated. Sensors monitor the process, making real-time adjustments for perfect coverage. The result, every chip tastes just as good as the last. The chips emerge golden, crispy, and bursting with flavor. Their journey isn't over yet. Before they're bagged, they must pass one final test. It's time for quality control. Now, the chips face their final exam, quality inspection. High-speed cameras and scanners check every chip for color, size, and shape. Any chip that's too dark, too light, or oddly shaped is instantly spotted. Flawed chips are knocked off the line by a precise puff of air. Only the best make it through. This high-tech process ensures every bag meets the highest standards. Chips that pass are a shimmering river of perfection. They're ready for their final journey. Next stop, the bagging station. Let's see how they're packed for freshness. The approved chips reach the packaging station, a marvel of automation. Multi-head weighers calculate the perfect portion for each bag in seconds. Chips drop into bags formed from a roll of printed film. Just before sealing, a puff of nitrogen fills the bag, protecting chips from crushing and keeping them fresh. Heated jaws seal the bag airtight and cut it free. The process is lightning fast, over 50 bags a minute. Sealed bags parade down the line, plump and colorful. They've captured the crunch and flavor at their peak. The journey from raw potato to sealed bag is nearly complete, but there's one last trip to make. The chips need to get from the factory to you. Let's follow them on their final journey. Freshly sealed bags are inspected one last time, then packed into boxes. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and stacked onto pallets. Forklifts move these stacks to waiting trucks. Trucks carry the chips to distribution centers, then to stores everywhere. The logistics are a massive, well-oiled machine. At your local store, a clerk opens the box and stocks the shelves. The chips have traveled far, from farm to factory to store. They've been protected every step of the way. Now they wait for you to pick your favorite flavor. You take a bag home, tear it open, and reach inside. That first crunch? It's the sound of a journey completed. Science, engineering, and a whole lot of potatoes, all for your snacking satisfaction. The humble Spud's destiny is fulfilled. Next time you enjoy a Lay's chip, remember the incredible journey it's taken. From careful selection and cleaning to high-speed peeling and slicing, every step is about perfection. The fryer's heat, the seasoning's artistry, and the unblinking eye of quality all come together for that legendary crunch. Packaging preserves the freshness, ensuring every chip is as good as the first. Each chip is a fusion of agriculture, science, and engineering. It's a journey from soil to snack aisle. So, have another chip. Now you know the story behind that perfect bite. It's not just a chip, it's a marvel of precision and care. Enjoy the journey, one crunch at a time.